Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, and if we look at the overall chart of Euro JPY, then we can see that overall market is in downtrend. The chart seems to be in downtrend if we just observe the overall chart here, and if we just focus on the present chart of Euro JPY, or if I just ask you to observe this chart of Euro JPY, then we can see that market was very bullish and right now market is under consolidation. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro JPY. Where are the possibilities for on the chart of Euro JPY step by step? So first of all, I would like to discuss about this trend line, and as you can see that this trend line is still acting as a valid resistance for the market, or in simple words, whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing selling pressure from above. Therefore, if you do not have this trend line present in your charting platform, then I'll request you, my dear friend, to draw this line here, because this trend line is a valid dynamic resistance on the chart of Euro JPY. So the first trading opportunity, the first trading opportunity on the chart of Euro JPY is shorting the market at this level here. So because this is a very strong resistance, let me explain. So you have understood that we have a trend line which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Clear? Apart from this trend line, you can see that I have also got a black line here on the chart, 130.50. 130.50. I have also got this level drawn on the chart. This level is important because this level belongs to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of Euro JPY here, and you can see that on the weekly chart we have a resistance here, and market has been trying to cross the resistance for quite some time. You can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 candles. 9 candles means more than 2 months. Market is trying to cross this level for more than 2 months and market is still unable to do so. As a result, this level is a very strong resistance for the market. So there is a good possibility that when market will be going up in the coming week, market will be facing a good resistance at this particular level. First resistance from the trend line and the second resistance from this black line or the weekly resistance. So we have a double resistance here, double resistance at the top. And when market will be going up from here, market will be facing double resistance, and with this kind of selling pressure from above, there is a good possibility that market will be in a good position to short the market. Clear? So that is your first trading opportunity if market goes up. But right now you can see that market is just standing at here at 129.78, and I have also marked a level here, and this is the temporary support for the market right now. We do not have any proper logic behind here. We are just hoping that this level will be acting as the next support for the market, or temporary support. Temporary support for the market. And on Monday, after the market opening, if market bounces from here, listen to me carefully. On Monday, after the market opening, if market takes support and bounces from here, then the decision is completely yours. If you want to go for a buy here, you can go for buy here. Just make sure that your stop loss will be below this level. Below this level, your stop loss. Honestly speaking, I will not be buying in a market condition like this, because I prefer to trade on levels that I'm sure of. For example, I'll be trading on this particular level, but I will not be buying here because I'm not sure about the level. I'm just saying that you can, if you want it, you can go for buy. If you want to avoid, then that is the best decision. But the main reason behind mentioning this level is that in case market faces severe selling pressure on Monday, and if you find market forming a red candle here, then you can short the market below this level. And this is the main reason why I have drawn this level, not for a buy. If you want to buy, your call, just follow proper risk management and your stop loss will be here. But on the other hand, if you find market forming a big fat red candle, okay, breaking this level 129.65 level, then you can short the market. Just make sure that you wait for at least 4 hours, because overall you can see the market has a bullishness going on here. So wait for 4 to 6 hours, and if you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is facing the same selling pressure from above, market is seriously trading below this level, then you can short the market here. So these are the two trading opportunities for you if you just look at the chart of Euro JPY. But I would like to focus on one more thing, and I would like to show you as well, is the Fibonacci. Generally, I do not talk much about these Fibonacci retracement levels, but you can see that market is following a Fibonacci here. So market bounce from this 38.2 level. So in case market bounces from here again, as we have a Fibonacci level, that's your decision, you can go for buy. And in case market breaks the level, then there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing from the 50% retracement here. In my experience, I have seen on many chart market bouncing from the 50% retracement level. So your 50% retracement level will be around, I think, 129.25. Okay, just draw this on your chart and just make sure, because there is a possibility that after a breakdown also market may reverse from the 50% retracement. So be okay, it's not 129.25, it's a 129.34. Okay. So this is the 50% retracement level on the Fibonacci chart. So in case there is a red candle on Monday, there is a good possibility market bouncing from the 129.34 level. Okay. So if you want to buy at the 129.34 level, you can go for buy. Only buy when market will form a hammer pattern or price rejection from below. Without confirmation, do not trade, my dear friends. That's my request. And please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood what you need to do. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. And my dear friends, recently I have also launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested, then just go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You'll find every information. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday again.